All right, so we have a calculator question that requires a calculator again. A particle moves along a line such that acceleration is given by this expression. If the particle's velocity at t is 0 is 5, what is the velocity at t is 3? So this is the first fundamental theorem of calculus question because a is the same as v prime of t, right? That's what this is. So I'm going to go ahead and put this thing in as my y1, right? So let's go to y equals. So I'm going to put in parentheses x plus 3, right, divided by, and then the square root of x to the third plus a 1. Close the root, and then we're good, right? Okay, so that's my y1, right? So if I know v of 0 is 5, and I seem to want v of 3. And I was given v prime of t. This is definitely a first fundamental theorem of calculus question, because if you integrate v prime of t with respect to t from the t value that you know to the t value that you want, I'm going to get v of 3, which is the thing I want, minus v of 0, which was a thing that I know. So I add the v of 0 over, and I'm going to get that the answer I want is v naught, or v of 0, either way, plus the integral from 0 to 3 of v prime of t dt, right? I know this is a 5, and I know that I can make my calculator do this, this information for me, and that's going to give me my v of 3. Sorry, I said v of 5, and I meant v of 3. So let's quit out of here, right? I'm going to do 5 plus math 9, right? And I put this in as y1, comma, with respect to x from 0 to 3, right? And I hit enter, and I get that this is an 11.710, which is E, right? Notice that this is a trap, right? This is the trap answer if you realize that you're supposed to integrate, but you forget the 5, right? So just kind of be heads up about that. They will ask you first fundamental theorem of calculus questions. All right.